What's up guys, it's your boy, back at you with another video. You get me about 3 weeks later. I don't know how long it's been. But we're here guys. Basically, the last video I posted was the last several videos I posted have all been like miserable, talking about I'm stuck in limbo. I basically fucked everything up. I was unemployed and my eBay store was just basically, eventually it would have just ceased to exist because you need full-time income to make this work. You need not full-time income, you need a separate income to make eBay work in the way I want it to work, because the way I want my eBay store to work. For those of you unaware, by the way guys, this is my YouTube channel and it's where I'm documenting my eBay growth, trying to become financially free. It's like every other eBay channel, you get me, apart from this one's got a twist on. I keep failing, you get me. So anyway, that's what this month's been guys, is me just kind of being stuck in limbo because I'd found myself full-time employment. I was waiting to get paid from the job and be able to kind of get back to a baseline of saying, right, bills are paid, I've got full-time income, now that eBay can be extra, now we can really get rich, you get me, because somehow when I'm in full-time employment, I make a bit of money on eBay and I convince myself, yeah, I'm good, I'm out. I just live like a little hippie lifestyle, but the hippie lifestyle ain't for me with no money, you get me? So that's basically the lesson I've learned this time, is like, I can't do that. I have to keep full-time employment or a second income to be able to get rich through eBay. That's my plan. That is the plan. The plan can't be skewed, can't be cheated, there's no shortcuts. That's the plan, you get me? And to do YouTube alongside it. So basically guys, I spent this whole month, or the beginning of last month, looking for a job, found a job, got a job, suffered all month from the 8th. So it's the 29th today, so I've just been suffering for like 3 weeks, like mostly mental suffering, because I struggle like with not having things to do, not being able to make progress, just being stuck. And like my mentality is I've got to go, you get me? And then when I'm stuck, that's it, it's like the cause of the death, you get me? So anyway guys, we've sorted that out, the suffering's over, I've done it, did it, fucking had all the fucking lonely nights with like no money. Anyway, come to, it's payday now, all my bills are paid, everything's at a baseline, and now we can begin on eBay, you get me? So it's exciting, like I was excited for today. I felt like I was just going to wake up today and then that's it, we're rich. But like now I'm here today, I'm like, okay, now this is just where the work begins, you get me? My eBay store is not in tarnishes, or it's not been tarnished. There's not much good items listed on there. I've had just like little crumb sales coming through. It's time to really get my head down and get some numbers, start hitting the car boot sale, because I ain't even been to the boot sale guys. I've literally not hit a boot sale all month. I've just kind of been like, the goal this month was to hold down this job, turn up every single shift, get paid, and I actually did that. I was proud of myself just for doing that. You know what's mad? Like, for me to do a month's work, it's like a pat on the shoulder thing, you get me? Because like, it's not easy out here. This slavery life is not easy. The only reason I've fucking made 1 month is because I've got a goal. So, yeah, I found acceptance in working full time, and now just to eat that extra money up. So, where do we go from here? To be honest, today's Friday. Now I'm in a bit of a dilemma because it's like, basically we've started again. Like, I've got the knowledge, I can buy items, I don't know what I'm going to come across. How much am I going to list a day? How much am I going to fucking make? I don't know. I really don't know guys. Part of me is like, start from 1 item a day, but at the same time, I don't really like this item a day thing, because I don't know how much I'm going to find that day. And I get it, you need a baseline to run off, so I'm probably going to end up be like, yeah, 1 item a day, 2 items a day, whatever the items a day are, I'll be listing. I'll have a goal. But I'm not quite sure. I think 1 item a day, because we've got to start from somewhere, and I think if we start from 1 item a day, I might source slightly more than 1 item a day. I can put them in my death pile. I could maybe even list extra. If the goal's 1 item a day and I list 3, then at the end of the day, at the end of the month, I just make more money. So I think that might be what we're going to do guys. I'm studying, thinking about it now. We might start 1 item a day, crawl up, 2 items a day, 3 items a day, whatever. At least if I aim for one item a day, and I can aim for really low profit, like £10 profit. Like one item a day, that's 30 items a month. Say I sell half of them at 15, which is my old maths. When I used to really dial in my numbers, I used to be selling about half of what I was listing each month, more actually. But that's a good baseline. So list 30 items this month, sell 15, £10 profit, that's £150 profit. Clean profit, so fees, shipping, everything gone, £10 left over. That'll leave me £150 this month. But we're definitely gonna make more than 150 quid. Promise. If there's one thing I can say, I'm making more than 150 quid because I made more than 150 quid like this month, and I listed nothing. I've got like 70 items on my store, listed nothing, and how much did I actually make? I can't remember, but I did my numbers like a couple of days ago. It's weird because I have to like submit my fucking my extra monies to like the job centre and that, so I literally go through the numbers every month, but I forgot. But it was probably, I really can't remember. It was between 500 and £1,000 I made on eBay. Not profit, just like gross. Is it gross or net? Gross, net, whatever. The total amount I made was between 500 and 1,000, and that was, my girlfriend listed maybe 10 items through the month. So it's all good, man. I made more than 150 quid. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to put this video out there and be like, that's it now, we're done. We're getting rich. I can get back to being BTM hustlers who can show you how to make money the right way. I can make money the right way, and we can document the process. I'm going to be documenting everything, you know, because like, this is it. my initial goal, guys, is to get £1,000 savings. Because I see all these eBay channels, right? Everyone's like, yeah, I sell all this on eBay. How many of them talk about how much have they kept? Because my goal now with eBay is not to have a big eBay store. I can't give a fuck how big the eBay store is. The goal is to have so much money in my bank, bare money in my bank. You get me? £1,000. That's the first goal. We'll say £100, but I've already got £100. You get me? £100 I can make in 2 days. You know what I mean? £1,000 might take a month. You get me? So I can do £1,000. I'm gonna hit that goal. How much do I spend? We'll get to that £1,000, and then after that I'm going for 10 G's, and after that I'm going for 100 grand, and then in between that time, there's some things I need to do to get us out of this situation that we're living in. Fuck this house off. To be honest, me and my partner are thinking of just buying a fucking double-decker bus. I'm not even joking. We might just buy a double-decker or a coach or something, and just put some kitchen cupboards in that motherfucker and just be out of this bitch. Get a unit, just do the eBay, work a full-time job, park like fucking 5 minutes round the road from work. Just make this money, you get me? Because living in houses is not for us, man. Like, well, first of all, it sucked my entire life. I've lost the love for like living in a house because it's basically just been the end of my life. My life ended when I moved into fucking bricks and mortar, because ever since then I've done nothing but be miserable. So fuck a house, you get me? I live in a goddamn double-decker bus, you get me? Just that principle. And then once money's up, we're going to live in a field anyway. Like, this rat race thing's over, man. Like, I'm not interested in it anymore. You get me? The only part of the rat race I'm interested in is getting money so I can fucking, like, get out. Get money to get out and live. That's basically it, because this ain't living. I'm sure most people agree, well, not most people. I'm sure a small percentage of people agree with, man. This ain't living, you get me? I don't care how shiny this kitchen is, this kitchen cupboard. I don't care how cool these pictures look on the wall, you get me? I don't care how nice and bright. Because, to be fair, guys, this kitchen looks like it's alright, innit? Looks like man's got a nice little house. Don't believe it, bro, it's bullshit. Caravan is definitely better. I'd be happy. I would live in my car if I didn't have 3 kids and a missus. I swear to God I'd live in my car, bro. Just knock doors and wash cars or something, you get me? So anyway, guys, that's it. I just wanted to drop this video, you get me? So I'm going to list 1 item a day, guys. I'm going to make £1,000, not my first month. Hopefully my first month. But I want to make £1,000, you get me? Like, stack that little bit of money so we've got security for the business. And basically that'll be it, guys. I'm going to document my way there. I'm going to literally, I don't know how safe this is to do, but this is how I'm thinking it in my head. Let me know in the comments if this is a bad idea. I was thinking of printing like the receipts from my bank account, like my eBay account, because I've got a personal account, whatever, and just show you the balance without showing you any like personal details, and show you it going up. And that will just be cool for people to see. This is real money. This is real money. And like, hopefully, I can improve my own life showing you guys the right way to do it. Full-time employment. Save all your eBay money. You get me? But other than that, guys, my girlfriend's come down, so I'm about to bounce because I've filmed too long anyway. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, which will be tomorrow because I'm filming daily also. You know what I mean? So, we out. See you in the next one.